Thank you so much, brother Anyng, for your special invitation.
Yummy.
Hello to everyone. I hope you guys are doing great and I'm great too. Today is a very special day for me. 28 December had been and always a blessing for me since I was born. I thank God for this day. On this special day of mine, I have a special table. You can see Brother Ajube, Sister Zable. She also one of a playback singer. Glad to have you guys and I would like to invite them. Please do come and join with me.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. It means a lot. I have a special table, organic vegetable, about 20 items. I hope you guys will really like and enjoy it and love it for this bountiful blessing. Amen. Guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, and even don't forget to click the bell icon for more videos. Thank you guys.
And start the meal. Sakti masuk mà thấy nè, sakit nè, sakti gì vậy? Ay, sakit nè, thank you.
This is lime juice. Start for you. Go.
Mas pun natin na, banget tahu dah. Oh my god.
Which one to fix first?
Then you get the rice first na.
Oh, ito.
Rosemary. Check,
Oh, yes, so.
check it.
This is papaya. Very hard to pick though, bro.
Oh, ye. Get
Okay.
the shot. Oh,
Yeah, pick so. Woo! This is vegetable harvest season. So we have a lot of yummy fresh. We have crab pickle here. And this is long beans,
oh, give me the top.
line beans.
Hello guys. Hey.
Woo!
You
And
want?
we have lemon juice here, lemon gravy. Woo! Yeah, we have banana stem. Not banana stem. It's yam stem. Sorry. So sweet.
So đảo nó bye. Okay, I'll keep for you. How much you want?
Many.
Here we go.
Not little.
This is chow. Let's see the taste. How is chow taste?
Many people crazy about this chow. That's nice. Appreciate.
This is your man.
We have bamboo shoot here. It is wild bamboo shoot. We have yam curry here. Yam, squash, brinjal, and brinjal leaf, which is eatable.
Consider.
This is brinjal leaf, which is eatable. So cool. King chili.
Birthday ka na, sa alam mo, di ba?
Guys, you have more.
Vitamin A.
I don't know what to call in this one. It's a short one. We call it K. Not jute, but in Manipuri, in a common language, we call it saugri.
Makangat yung siya dia.
A lady's finger.
Look na. Spoon na din, sunod sa ating game there. Bakit din bisa na?
We'll see later on.
What is this?
Oh, we have pumpkin here.
This is
Wow.
Atibong.
That's sweet some.
Apa na luto to?
Take what you have.
Diba? Tinimba na lu. Spoon na din, spoon na lu rabe. Ay, tak CV ni. Ay, kung 2023 ko. Tak, may ko CV.
Tomato. Oh. And one more thing. We have a cucumber here. I'll start for her. Yeah.
Hangko.
We have cucumber here. This is the leaf I talked about. Brinjal leaf, which you can eat raw. Bitter some, but it's fine, especially for meat curry.
Squash. This is squash. This is squash.
Tite.
Suka nila.
Tiro mata, tiro me.
We have a chili here, king chili. This is the right season.
Okay na.
Take already, sister. King chili. And we have here not a king chili, it's a chili. Not a pepper, but tastes very hot.
Ano to kami?
Situ kan?
Manaro yung kaya.
No.
Oh, let me help her. Bring it up.
Ah, pag gumapili ka, maro ka.
Yari! Oh! Kino
Bagong
push! Oh, too much! Too much.
Have fun.
Let me test. What is the test?
Ito ka na, gawin na.
Drink.
How about you, Dad?
Let me take some more. You never
Ito ka lang.
eat.
Ito.
Let's taste this one, the first white in color. You take some for the digestion. Ooh. Our chow is too dry. It jam out like a spring.
Ah! Tasty.
Please come here.
Để hả? Đấy hả?
Come on, taste.
Dù gì tí lên.
More rice, 3 times.
And more bro.
Times. 1 kilo rice.
Bro, some water, please.
Hey, this is not water.
Grape juice. Enough, bro. Thanks. It's not steady at all.
This is not.
This is the best menu ever I have tasted in my life.
Duro na duro.
What?
Duro ka tanan dito yung hindi siya gulo eh.
Ulang maya lah.
Iso na.
Mate colore mio.
Bring it in.
Over here with our family. No, you go.
Yummy.
Oh, sure. We have squash here. One color. This is too big. A pumpkin here.
Oh.
Pumpkin here. Let me pick this one. Oh, sorry. There's a hole. Let's share this one.
Sige lah.
Payah. Betul pisang. This is the best.
Wala ba kaya?
Guys, please check out her.
No.
Chow is her favorite, I guess so. Don't you? Aren't you? This is the best. What's my top?
Hindi mahal ba?
I'm done. Thank you. Oh, full guys. We had a great time.
Có tao để chơi là. Hey guys!
It's a bad one.
Our day boys, let's do this!
Cheers.